So hello friends, welcome back to channel. In a couple of videos we have covered, okay, and you might seen me using pipe symbol, this symbol, okay. What's the symbol? This. Like we are doing grep, okay, cat slash etc password pipe grep Amit. So what it will do? It will grab our line from this file. So this is called symbol. Okay, there are two major symbols which we use in a daily life on a Linux administrator as a Linux administrator. That is pipe and this semicolon. And these two are having the major difference. So what are they? So pipe is taking output from this and making input for this command. But it will get password file, and whatever output is coming from this file, it will make input for this command. Okay, that's the pipe thing. So it's taking output from first file. So it's dependent on first command. Then only second command will get executed, because second command is waiting for input from the first command, like slash password, and I will give password 1, which file is not exit. No such file or directory. So what grep will do? Nothing, because if this command fails, this command will not get executed, because this command is totally dependent on this command output. Okay, so there is a dependency. First command should give output to second command, then only pipe will pass those things. Permission deny. Oh, we are not having permission, so we can do sudo. That's okay. We are able to see, but if we do sudo and we miss O, no such file or directory. Secondly, we'll do df-h. Okay, but many more thing is coming. We'll grep, but we'll do pipe grep slash vagrant. Okay, just capture that vagrant thing. But if df will not work, instead of df I'm putting dt, nothing. There is no command. So what pipe will do? It will take output from the first command and pass that output as an input to a second command. So if first command is not generating any output, it's generating an error, it will not get passed to second command. Okay. So pipe will join two commands which is interconnected or dependent. That's the use of pipe. Then we are having semicolon. What semicolon do? See, df-h is one command, semicolon will do, and date is a second command. Okay, first it has executed df, then date. Okay, one after other, but these two are not dependent. If I do dt-h here, dt got failed, but date got printed here. So semicolon what can do? If you want to execute multiple command in a single line, then we use semicolon, like date, calculator or calendar, cal for calendar, and df-h slash. Okay, this is the one command. And what other command we are having? Not ps. I want like single page should come. Okay, three commands are enough. So first it has generated the date, then calendar, then the df-h. Okay, if I put remove, so that got failed, but calendar and df is working. Okay, I will make some difference in here also. dt I will make it. Okay, first command is not found, got failed. Second command is completed, third command again failed. So there is no dependency between these three commands. These are running one after other. Okay, there is no dependency. You can change the different sequence also if you want. Okay, now where we'll use, sometime we are running two different commands like df-h and colon date will do simultaneously. Okay, on this date I have executed this command, on this time I have executed this command, so we are having an output on a console on what time I have executed the command, one after the other. Okay, this manner we are using. And think about, I want to create a file under a directory which is not exist. So first what we'll do, mkdir, okay, and I will create a directory /tmp kk. This is my first command. Then I will touch a file under tmp kk with the name of Amit. Okay, what will happen? First it will go create a directory, then we'll go touch the file. Okay, let's see. Now file should be present there, ls/tmp kk Amit. Boom, file is there. So that's how you can use. But earlier we are saying there is no dependency. Sequential this thing or not there. First command is not dependent on second. But in this case, there is a dependency, because if you run this command first, it will give an error. Directory is not present. So that's why you have to think before running a command. Sequence, if you are following some like process, so process you have to make like that only. First you have to create a directory, then only you can create a file. But there is no dependency between first and second command. They are going to run individually. Earlier what was happening, if we are using pipe dt -h pipe grep / okay. So first command is fail, second command there is no use because first itself failed, so there is no use. But in this, if I say okay, in this what we'll do, first we'll do touch /tmp ll a, then semicolon mkdir /tmp/ll. Okay, first command got failed. Touch, no such file or directory. Got it? But your directory got created. See, ls-l/tmp ll. You are inside the directory. Second command got executed. But pipe, if first is failed, second is no use, because second command will take the input from the first command output. Here, if first command is getting failed, then also if second syntax is correct or everything is correct, it will get executed. Okay, that's the difference. So pipe and semicolon. So what's the use of pipe? Pipe is what it's doing. It will take an input from the first command. Okay, it will take the output from the first command and pass as an input for second command. In semicolon, it will execute the first command first, and once the completion of first command, it will execute the second command. Okay, so there is no dependency of the command. Like you can do ls/tmp, then ls/tmp ll, then ls-ld/tmp kk. All got executed. Under temp we are having this thing till here. ls ll is not there, and kk we are having this thing. I hope this point is clear to you. What's the difference between pipe and semicolon? If you are still having some question or some confusion regarding this, some question is in your mind, use the comment box. I will answer those things. Okay, these are the two major symbols which I am using, so you should not get confused when I am using pipe and when I am using semicolon. Learn this, practice this. Okay, till then, watch this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.